Hi there, and today we are going to learn about how to create a recurring plan in Wix. So here I am in my Wix website dashboard, and let's go to our pricing plans. So to do that, we need to go to catalog and click pricing plans. But if you don't have this feature, you need to install the application first. So to do that, go to apps, go to app market, and then type in here pricing plans. And then you should see this one, the Wix pricing plans. Just go ahead and click on it and then add this to your website so that it will be installed. So from here, let's go back to our catalog, click on pricing plans, and then we will create a pricing plan right here. So let's click get started, and then let's create our first plan since I haven't created any plans yet. So create plan, and then from here, a recurring plan is usually a subscription or a course or something. So you just need to name your specific plan. So for example, I'll type in here basic subscription, and then offers all the So for example, now I have my plan name, I have the description. I can also add an image right here. So for example, I'll just select a image right here in my libraries. For example, this one. Click add to page, and then you will see the preview of your plan right here. So you have the title, the description, and then the picture. And then you can add some more features right here. So for example, access to photos, access to videos. So you can just insert in here all of the features that will be included in your recurring plan. And then for the benefits, you can also insert some benefits right here, like blog subscriptions, some groups, and so on and so forth. And then for the pricing options, we need to choose recurring payments since this is a recurring plan. And then we can choose the specific price. So for example, $250. And then we can choose if we want the frequency to be monthly, to be weekly, to be yearly, or to be custom. So for example, you can repeat this every 2 months, every 3 months, and so on and so forth. So it just depends on your preference. But I'll choose the monthly plan. And then you can also choose if you want the plan to be finite. So for example, you will set the plan to be valid for 3 months, valid for 6 months, valid for 12 months, or until cancelled. And then you can also charge a setup fee if you want, or enable a free trial. So I will select a free trial right here of 14 days. And then for the settings, you can also limit to 1 subscription per customer. You can also allow plan cancellation. You can also let the customer set a start date if you want. And then you can also add some plan policies or connect custom forms. But if you're finished, we can now go ahead and click on save. And then we need to give access to groups. So since I don't have a group yet, so I'll just turn this off and then click on save. Then we also need to have a blog subscription. So for example, I will just choose a blog post right here. Then click on save. And then now we're finished. We have now created this recurring plan, and then the users of the website can now choose to avail this plan if they want to have a subscription for your website. And then that is it. That is how you create a recurring plan here in Wix. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.